What is going on, everybody? Birdless Speed here, back again with another video. Today in this tutorial we are going to be going through PyAutoGui. So PyAutoGui is a Python library that helps you with moving the mouse, clicking, like any type of click, right click, left click, middle click, typing also. So whatever you want to do, whatever you can do on your computer, you can get it automated with PyAutoGui. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is install PyAutoGui. Okay, here we are using PyCharm. So the simple thing, you can just install it by clicking on or by pressing Control Alt and S. It's gonna get you here, and you just click on this plus, and here you just type PyAutoGui, and you just click install, and you can get it installed like that. But for those who are not using PyAutoGui, you have to go through the CMD and type pip install PyAutoGui. Okay, if it doesn't work, you may have to go PyAutoGui this way. All right, but mine is already done, so we're just gonna get started with it. So I'm gonna create a file, a Python file, and we're gonna name it PyAutoGui intro. Okay, so hitting enter. Second thing we're gonna have to do is now import the library. So we're gonna import PyAutoGui. Okay, then we're gonna find the screen size. Okay, the screen size of this computer. So for that we need to do we need to use PyAutoGui that size. All right, so by doing this we get the size, but it's better to print the size. So if you print it, then we can see exactly what is the size. All right, so you just click here, print, and then you get it here. So the size, we get the width like this. All right, if you wanted to save it in a variable for some reason, you would have just put the variable here. I could name it screen size, right, like this. And then when I click here, it's gonna save it. Then I should print. Then now I have to print the screen size. So if I do it this way, now it's getting printed. All right. Now I'm just gonna keep this this way. Doesn't really matter. We could also get the position of the mouse. All right. So for that, we need to place the mouse somewhere, and then use PyAutoGui that position to get the position. All right. So suppose I want to click. I want to get the position of this where the cursor is. So file. Okay. Suppose I go here. Let me just do this. So I'm just gonna use a shortcut, because if I move my mouse, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna use the shortcut Control Shift and F10. So I'm gonna go here. Wait, I'm gonna go here and Control Shift F10. Oops. Oh, I gotta print it. So I go here and then we print it. Control Shift F10. And now we have the position. So we got 58. So let's say file position is 58. Let me just put it in a comment. 58 and 19. All right. Okay. So let's say I want to make a click there. So we're gonna do PyAutoGui.click 58 and 19. 58, 19. We're gonna click there. So if you just run this now, we have a click. Notice my mouse is here. Okay, my cursor is here. So once I click run, so it gets here. When I click, it goes there. It goes right here. Okay, it's too fast. All right, so that's one function. Okay, the other thing we can do is let's make an example where I open a browser. The browser. So let's get another position. We get another position here. Okay, the start button. the Windows button. So we are going to run it again using the hotkey Control Shift F10. So we have it here, 1875 and 27. All right, so we're gonna do PyAutoGui dot move to. Okay, you can move to. That's another option. Okay, you move the cursor first, and then you do the click. Okay, I'm just going through some functions. So we're gonna move to 1875 and 27. 1875, 27, and then we're gonna perform a click. PyAutoGui, the click. Okay, so after the click, what we're gonna need to do is do some research. We're gonna just type we're gonna do PyAutoGui dot write, and then we're gonna write Chrome. Okay, so it's gonna open, it's gonna type Chrome like this. It's gonna do this, write Chrome, then hit enter. Okay, so for that we gotta use PyAutoGui dot press, and then we're gonna press the key, the enter key. So after you press the enter key, what's gonna happen? The browser is gonna open, and then we can do some research. Okay, so we're gonna do again PyAutoGui dot write, and then we're gonna do YouTube. Wait, does this work? Wait, you gotta go back. YouTube and bird last speed. Okay, YouTube bird last speed, because no one's gonna neglect themselves. So we type this and then we hit enter again. So we're gonna press, no, not press PyAutoGui dot press enter. All right, so if you run this, I hope it works properly. Whoa. Oh, did it move to, wait, did it move to? It didn't move to. Oh, something is wrong here. Just give me a second. I'll just here. Okay, it's too fast. If you noticed, it went there, it did everything, but it was too fast. So the second thing we're gonna need to do is cool it down. So we're gonna import. No, we're not gonna import. We're gonna do from time import everything. Okay, so we're gonna have to slow things down by giving it a sleep. So here, PyAutoGui, we get the position, move to this. So after we move to, we're gonna wait. No, after we're gonna click, and then we're gonna wait. So we're gonna sleep for a second. So after we sleep for a second, then this should happen. We're gonna type Chrome, hit enter. Okay, let's check this out now. The click is not working properly. Let me check this. Maybe the parentheses. Okay, it happened too fast again. Okay, so we're gonna have to sleep after opening the browser. So after we open up, after we hit enter, we are gonna sleep again for a second. You're gonna hit, yeah, I guess this should be fine now. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. All right, I mean, my network is slow, but it doesn't really matter. I hope you understood what we did exactly here. I don't think it was too complicated. Another thing I would like to talk about is finding the position, because you can't just keep placing your cursor. You can't just keep placing your cursor and getting the position. So what you can do is, once you get the position, like in this example, you could create a variable, okay? But now the variables that are created with PyAutoGui are points. They're not regular variables, they're called points. So to create a point, you do PyAutoGui, the point, okay, capital P, point, and for the point, now you give the position, okay? So you're gonna give 1875 and 27, all right? And now here we got a point, we're gonna name it, we're gonna name that point Windows button. All right, we get the Windows button now. Now we get the position of the Windows button. So we're gonna move to, instead of putting numbers, we're gonna just type Windows button, and it should do the same thing. If I got it right, here, click, same thing. It works. Open it. Type bird last speed, YouTube bird last speed, and it works. All right, so I hope you understood, hope you learned something. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.